simple radical equation. Now the first thing is that you need to consider the root sign and then find out that the value under the root sign shouldn't be a negative value, meaning that x plus 4 should be greater than or equal to 0. And then when you look at this one too, x minus 1 should also be greater than or equal to 0. Now in this case, we can simplify the expression by moving this value to the other side. So we have root x plus 4 is equal to 5 root x minus 1. Now from here, the next thing that you need to know is that we have to consider how to take away the root sign, and that is squaring both sides. So you square both sides. So squaring here, you are going to have x plus 4 root or squared is equal to, remember this is plus, so let's put the plus there, a minus actually, so 5 minus. Then also here we are going to have 5 minus root x minus 1 all squared. So from here, the next thing that you are supposed to do is that when you square at this side, the left hand side, you're going to have squaring the root sign or cancel the root sign. So we have getting 1 plus 4. Now let's look at this side critically, how to simplify this or expand this. It is just like having x plus, let's see, minus 2 or squared. We all know that you square the first value and then the 2 multiplies everything in the bracket and then you square the last value. So 2 times x times negative 2 will give you minus 4x, and then plus you square the negative 2 squared will give you 4. So let's come here. Similarly, 5 squared will give you 25, and then the 2 is going to multiply 2 times 10 will give you 2 times 5 will give you minus 10, and then root x minus 1. Then the last part is this whole value squaring, so you're going to have, you square everything, you're going to have x minus 1. You know, when you square root's value, you're going to cancel it out. So that is how we are going to have. Now let's group right then to have x plus 4 is equal to, so let's move this one to this side, 25 minus 1, then minus x, then all this side minus 10 root x minus 1. So this is what we have at this moment. I believe that I moved everything to this side, leaving this last part, negative 10 root x minus 1 at the last part. So I have x plus 4 is equal to 24 minus x and minus 10 root x minus 1. Now moving these values to the other side, we are going to have x value. Yeah, our x is positive actually. Our x is positive. So we have x minus x plus 4 minus 24. So we end up getting all these values come to the left hand side. So x minus x and then 4 minus 24, leaving minus 10 root x minus 1. I believe that you get it from the steps. So s is cancelled. We're going to have minus 20 is equal to minus 10 root x minus 1. Now from this level, we can simplify by dividing through by the negative 10. So negative 10 cancel this side, it goes away. And the negative 10 cancel, minus 20 will give you 2 is equal to root x minus 1. At this point, I know you can simplify that. What you do is that you are going to, you square both sides. So 2 squared is equal to square root of x minus 1 squared. And then 2 squared is going to give you 4. So we have 4 is equal to x minus 1. So finally, what is our x? Our x is equal to 5. I believe you understand this. Go through so that you get easy way to simplify radical equation.